It's a great day at Wolfe GMC Buick. We're conveniently located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Road in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Today we're looking at the 2013 Chevrolet Suburban LT. We're going to start by taking a look inside the front of the Suburban. The driver's door has a programmable memory seat for up to 2 drivers, heated front seats, power door locks, power windows, power folding side mirrors, the child lock button, door storage with a cup holder and a door speaker. To the left of the steering wheel are some lighting controls and dials, including automatic headlamps, auto 2-wheel drive and 4-wheel drive, all-weather floor mats on the floor, a power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, jet black leather interior with a power sunroof overhead. Next, I'll hop in and we'll take a look at the steering wheel, the left side having our cruise control buttons along with a heated steering wheel button, and to the right are the audio and Bluetooth controls. Up next is our driver information center. Using those buttons to the right, we're able to cycle through the dash. Overhead, the power sunroof buttons, programmable garage door opener, OnStar in the rear view mirror. Up next, we have our CD player, dual zone climate control buttons with air conditioning, power adjustable foot pedals, park assist and traction control. And the rear view mirror also doubles as our backup camera. Starting at the front of the Suburban, we have fog lights, black tow hooks, 17-inch alloy wheels, a 5.3-liter V8 engine under the hood, chrome mirrors, window vents and door handles, keyless entry, rear tinted windows, a roof rack up top, running boards down below, remote start, keyless entry, and toward the back, the rear window wiper and a power lift gate. Next, we'll take a look inside the back of this 7-passenger SUV. Our passenger door has power windows, a door speaker. The backs of both front seats have got leather seat pockets, the rear climate control buttons, heated rear outboard seats, a storage compartment down below. Our middle seat folds down into dual cup holders or an armrest. We're also able to gain access to the third row by pulling that seat release on the side of the seat. Our third row has 2 additional seats with cup holders on either side. So come take a look at the 2013 Chevrolet Suburban LT, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at wolfegmcbuick.com.